Hello and welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to get the developer tools out. I'm going to see what's using up all the processing power. I'm going to have to pause the video for this because it's going to affect the video. So I'll pause the video and I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, I'm now finished and this is the results. So you can see that scripting is the main thing that's taking up all the time. Now if you do bottom up, that should give you a better view. So what it's saying is, find 4 in a row is taking up a lot of time, and then alphabet and all the moves. Now all the moves it's got to work out a modulus, and it's also got to do a sort. So that's why that's slow. But even though that is slow, that's actually trebles the speed of the algorithm. So you shouldn't really worry about this. Now let me see what else is here. If we come down to here, if val for win is not taking on much. Get none for direction. Can you see that's not even taking up anything? And find 4 in a row. And look at legal move. Legal move gets run quite a lot, and can you see it's taking up hardly them 3 aren't taking up anything. And as I said, they've got a lot of fast operations in them. So even though theoretically, what it is, the best approach for us is to look at this thing here to actually see what is slow, and from our point of view, we've got to improve that, and that. If we wasted all our time improving that, as you can see, that will show so it doesn't hardly consume anything. Okay, so it's mainly this. So in the next video, I'm going to go through some I'm going to go through actually doing that, and the way I'm gonna talk about this briefly now. The way I want to do it is I want to set up a cache, and the reason why a cache will make it faster is if I do one, I'm going to do a certain position here, 1, 4, 2, 5. That position there, if I said to you, what was the first move I played in that position, you wouldn't know. Because obviously I've set the game so that red always goes first, so that makes it easier for us. Okay? So I could have started there first, or I could have started there. And also my second move could have been there, could have been there, or there. So there's probably 4 possible ways. So that means there's 4 possible ways that I can do. Now, when our computer is doing the algorithm, a lot of these moves are repeats of each other, but the computer will just go down here and it will calculate, and that. Have I closed it? That thing, get 4 in a line, or evaluate position, gets it. So what it has to do is what does it actually do? Let's have a look at it. Find 4 in a row or board. It basically loops the whole board and it looks for 4 in a row. So it looks in each direction, but okay, so that is quite a slow function. So what that function does is it will get, like, for instance, what I'm trying to say is that, in fact, let me reset it. I'll do a more extreme example. In alpha beta, when it's searching, it will get to a position like this, and it will get to this position more than one way. For instance, that might have been first, that might be first, that might be first, that might be second. So there'll be 9 combinations. And as the moves go up, it gets even more. So what it will do is, when it's looking at board positions, okay, one sec. Sometimes it reaches exactly the same moves and in exactly the same board, but through a different order. Let me see if there's an example here. Unfortunately, there isn't. Yeah, here, look. 7, 5, 10. 7, 15, 10. 7, 15, 10. There's probably more. There's 9, 10, 13, 9, 10, 13, and 7, 9, 16. It didn't actually search that, but in fact, that's not finished. It probably did search it. But anyway, you can see that there's duplicates, and that means it went to them in different orders. Okay. So what it's going to do, what this is going to do is, it's going to do a cache so that, I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet, but what it will do is, I think this thing slows it down a bit. This thing, that is the thing that slows it down when it's calling alpha beta on a position. In fact, let me just check something. In alpha beta, yeah, that's the thing that's, I think is here. That's the thing that slows it down. If alpha win, there's a number of ways I can do it, so I have to do a bit of thinking before I actually implement it, because I could just put it in here. So it's giving us and it's giving the board. No, what am I talking about? I'll have to probably put it in here. In fact, I'll have to work out how to do it, but whatever method I do, whatever I do, it's going to be a cache so that it doesn't have to keep running forward in a line. So whatever, so if it sees a board, like in this situation, it will work out one board and it will say, I've seen this already, and it will get it from the cache instead of trying to work it out again. Okay, in theory, that should speed it up. Because in my opinion, as the game depth gets deeper and deeper, there's going to be more and more of these repeat positions. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Until next time, bye.